Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create a continuous area graph in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. The data set which we'll be using today is the Uberfairs data set. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to first drag and drop this data set into my Tableau Public Desktop session. Now that the data set has been loaded, I'm going to go to my worksheet for sheet 1. And I'm going to use the column key dimension currently under tables. I'm going to drag and drop this column to columns. So now what Tableau Desktop Edition is showing me is each year from 2009 to 2015. And now I'm going to drag the column measure fair amount, highlighted in green, to the section rows. So now what Tableau would show me is each year from 2009 to 2015, the total fair amount for each year that's captured in this data set. To change this to an area graph, I'm going to go to the marks section. Currently in the drop-down, it's selected automatically a line mark. I can click on the drop-down and change it to area. So now what Tableau is showing me is an area graph from 2009 to 2015 for the total fair amount of each year. But right now, this is a discrete area graph because the year attribute is currently discrete. The changes to continuous. I can click on the drop-down and then go to the option at the bottom here called continuous. I'm going to select that, and now it's changed this graph to a continuous area graph. Another way to create a continuous area graph by going to the option Show Me in the top right, and then in the third row in the first column from the bottom, I can click on the far left option, this area chart continuous, and this will also create the same output, a continuous area graph as before. So there you have it. These are the different approaches for how to create a continuous area graph in Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.